This is the model for 2-bedroom?
Yes, for the 2 bedrooms. This is the kitchen.
Okay, kitchen.
The granite
And our
countertop.
pretty Leia over there.
Hi. What's his name?
Earl.
Hi, Sir Earl. So you will be getting this one.
2-bedroom ang, ang inaano ko
kitchen
sa kanya.
cabinets in the countertop.
Ah.
It's fully finished, so you don't have anything to worry about. Cable ready.
What,
It's
cable
landline.
ready?
Yes, it's nakabitan na lang ng cable yan. May provisions na.
Furniture na lang ang
Diba?
kulang.
This one also, like this one, ito turn over.
Meron na siyang granite.
Yes, granite sink.
Ayun. Kasi, habang wala naman siya, kunyari magbabakasyon, edi dito kami.
Oh, yes.
Pag wala, paparent namin. O, diba, merong...
That's true. Madali ang rental dito.
Talaga?
I have 2 clients, 1 week lang, hindi pa nga nata-turn over yung unit sa kanila, may renter na.
Talaga?
Ako din ang kumukuha ng renter.
Usually, mga ilang months. Ay, ang cute ng bed.
Yeah, this is bedroom 2. This is actually the master's bedroom, yung may connecting din sa balcony.
Meron bang tawag dito? May CR dyan sa loob na master?
Only one restroom for that. For
dito sa 2-bedroom. Okay.
And this will be the living. Dining. Very quaint actually. May exhaust na rin tayo doon. Pati sa bathroom, meron na, if you would notice on top,
May
meron exhaust din.
Okay.